Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and use ClamAV Antivirus on Debian 12. First, run the following command to update your Debian package index. Now, install ClamAV and other packages by running the following command. After the installation is finished, check the ClamAV service status with the following commands. Now, open the ClamAV configuration. Adjust the database mirror configuration with your default country code. Or you can leave the configuration as the default. Save the file and exit the editor. Next, run the following command to update your antivirus database. Once the database is updated, run the following command to start and enable the ClamAV Fresh Clam service. Your antivirus database will be updated automatically by the ClamAV Fresh Clam service. Then, check the ClamAV Fresh Clam service with the following command. You'll see that the service is running and enabled. Before scanning files or directories, ensure that the ClamAV daemon service is running. Check it with the following command. If running, you'll see an output such as active, running. To scan the file with ClamAV, run the clamscan command followed by the file name, like the following. As for scanning a directory, you can follow the directory name like the following. Now, you can run the following command to skip any result with the status OK. Next, open the ClamAV daemon configuration. Insert the following configuration to configure automatic scan for directories. Save the file and exit the editor when finished. Now, run the following command to start and enable the ClamAV daemon service. Lastly, check the ClamAV daemon service status to ensure it is running. You can see that the ClamAV daemon service is running, which means that ClamAV scanning will be run automatically.